This is a rechargeable mosquito zapper bat. Unfortunately, it stopped working, and I'll try to fix it. Looks like this battery is not working. So what I'll do, I'll try to replace with 650 battery. Let's see how it goes. I will add this battery here. So to do that, I have to actually get this cable out because I need longer cable, and I have to use this cable to add the positive port. Cover it up and make some safe adjustment here so that it doesn't touch each other. So what I did here, I just added some tape just for safety measurement and put it back into right place, and I'm gonna cover it up right now. Now everything is fixed. I'm gonna test it with a screwdriver, pressing the origin button. Oh.